Hey there, it's Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and I'm so excited. I'm getting ready to fill my kitchen with the girls in 3 Months to Thrive. 3 Months to Thrive is a great program where we learn to transform not only your relationship with food, we learn to transform your relationship with life. Tonight we're working on fears and limiting beliefs. It's going to be such a powerful session. So I just had to feed them something really, really good, right? So tonight I'm making spaghetti squash with tomato mushroom sauce. Yum! And in this pot, I already have put some great olive oil. This is one of my good friends works at this company. It's called California Olive Ranch. And she gave me this, so I thought it would be delightful to use it. It's really, really delicious. And she also gave me another olive oil. It's the Premium Select. It's more for finishing. This is out of this world, so I invite you to try it. But even more, she gave me something really good. They've just taken on a line. It is the Lucini brand, and this is a spicy. I never use jarred sauces, but when she brought me this, I was so excited because this actually does not contain any sugar. And it's very clean. It's actually Catherine approved. And you can get it on Amazon. So the Amazon link is right on your recipe. So in this pot, I put the olive oil, and I'm cooking with olive oil at a low temperature, kind of a medium temperature. But what Kristen told me about their olive oil, it can heat to a higher temperature. So this is just onions and mushrooms. And then I'm going to add zucchini. Now the idea is to get as many vegetables into your food that you can. I recommend 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day, and this will help you totally get there. And we just stir it up. I put some salt in it, some great sea salt. This is a pink Himalayan sea salt, one of my favorites. This one actually is from Trader Joe's. We're going to throw in a little bit of pepper for good measure. There we go. Yum. And I'm just going to stir this up and let it gel. And in the meantime, I cooked up 2 spaghetti squashes. Now, most people chop their spaghetti squash in half before they throw it in the oven. I don't. Make it easy. Throw the whole spaghetti squash in your oven on about 350 to 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. Then all you do is let it cool a little bit, chop it in half, scrape out the seeds, and look what I had left over in the skins. I'm going to heat this up, and we're going to serve this delicious sauce right on top. But here's the clean sauce that Kristen gave me. You can see it's brand new. So I'm just going to give this a little tap so I can open it a little bit easier. Okay, this is embarrassing. I should have opened it before. There we go. Ooh, you hear that? It's got a little snap. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I couldn't wait to share it. So I'm just going to, it's so easy. I'm just pouring the whole thing into my pot. Stirring this up, and I've got spaghetti sauce. Now, if you're a traditionalist who really loves using pasta instead of zucchini noodles, I could have used zoodles in this, but it was easier just to chop the noodles up. So you can use, a penne pasta. You can use anything like that. This one is a gluten-free. There's several gluten-free ones to choose from, but see how simple this was? Goes together really easy. Now I'm going to let this boil down for probably about 10 minutes, and we'll have a delicious tomato sauce with lots and lots of vegetables, and that's the idea. Getting more and more vegetables, more and more vitamins, more and more minerals in your body through a plant-based diet is the way to go. And when I say plant-based, I don't mean you have to go vegetarian. My body loves meat. So I just cooked up a little bit of very lean ground beef. And I'll serve this with that for anyone that wants a little bit of, protein, some meat, and then I'll show you what else I put on top. Just to keep it a little cheesy and non-dairy cheese, this is nutritional yeast. Now, nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast. It's really, really good and delicious. It's deactivated, so it doesn't bloat you up like you would think a yeast would, but it tastes just like cheese. It looks like fish food, it tastes like cheese. So really delicious, and I love throwing it on my spaghetti sauce. And that's it. I'm gonna serve this on spaghetti squash, and I've got spaghetti squash sauce, okay? And I've got dinner, probably in less than about 20 minutes. So enjoy, you've got the recipe. And check out, if you're not one of my members of 3 Months to Thrive, check out my website at katherinechess.com, KATHRYNCHESS.com. And join us in 3 Months to Thrive. Come eat with us. And we also have 3 Months to Thrive Jumpstart, which is an online program that is just loaded with tons of information to get you healthy and well. Thank you. I appreciate you. I love you. Here's to healthy, yummy food and delicious, healthy bodies.